Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by charging and connecting. Put AirPods in your ears, open Bluetooth, and pair immediately. Once paired, open the Translator app and grant mic and location permissions so audio routes correctly. Make sure your phone's output is set to AirPods. This ensures you hear both sides. If the app requests language packs, download only the languages you need to save space. Now that audio is routed and permissions are set, move to configuring the translation session. You select the input and output languages and pick real-time for fluid conversation or push-to-talk for controlled exchanges. Once done, adjust mic sensitivity and enable noise reduction so background sounds don't garble translations. Make sure your AirPods have stable Bluetooth signal. Move closer to the phone if latency appears. Test with a short phrase and listen for timing and accuracy. If the other person speaks, confirm they hear translated replies through your AirPods so both sides sync. You finish by locking languages to prevent accidental switches and enable auto-detect only when necessary, because it can add latency. Once the session is over, save or share the transcript for reference and enable continuous translation if you expect longer dialogue. If audio quality degrades or translation stalls, first toggle Bluetooth and restart the app. If that fails, repair the AirPods and retest. One key tip: restart the phone if repairing doesn't.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.